Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to see the dislikes on YouTube. First of all, open your Google Chrome, as you can see on your screen, and then click on the three dots right there at the top right hand corner, and then click on this extensions. And here, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Once you click on that, you will now go to this page on Chrome Web Store. Basically, you just need to click on the search box right there at the top right and gonna search for return YouTube dislike. So here, as you can see the result, you'll find the extension right over here. So you're gonna click on that extension and all you need to do is click on add to Chrome and basically it will add up to your extensions. So once you've done right there, you just need to open your YouTube website or YouTube app. So we'll be able to see the dislike button. So from here at the bottom, if you scroll down, you'll find the dislike icon here. So that's it. That's how you basically see the dislikes on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.